Alright guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the 240. This is one of the parts that I ordered. This is a radiator. I brought it here to my boss because he buys aftermarket parts all the time, and I'm kind of trusting him to tell me like the truth, like, is it a good radiator? Is it a good radiator? Is it not? So
it smells like fish.
It's from DNA Motoring, you know, straight eBay.
Straight from China or where?
The straight freaking drifted starter pack. This is not no Mishimoto, no Koyo radiator. Not in the budget, so we're gonna check this thing out.
Dude, I move these two chairs real quick.
So we're gonna get into this bad boy. I was pretty happy that it finally came.
Alright. We're gonna clean up the mess, alright?
Oh, don't make a mess, yeah? Not a big mess at least.
Cheap ass styrofoam.
Ooh.
What?
Look at that aluminum. Alright, let's check out one of these fans. I paid $100, $115 for it. So don't be like, oh damn, this is straight crap.
Alright.
You know, be positive somewhat. Pretty clean or not?
That feels pretty clean. Nice. Plastic's pretty sturdy.
That looks legit, dude. That's gonna look race
not.
car as hell.
Why? Was there any other color? Or why do you have to go with whack blue?
I like blue.
Like
There's two of them.
purple.
They have purple too.
It comes with some clips. It comes with to put it on the radiator, and a cheap little box.